Hi, myself Professor Jitendra Engde, Senior Lecturer from Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering Technology, Navgar Bhayandar East. Our today's topic is business communication using computer. In it, today we will discuss guideline of effective presentation skill on how to create presentation. Other, what are the guidelines for making presentation? Importance of or significance of presentation. Presentation skills are required to deliver effective and engaging the presentation to the variety of audience. These skills cover the variety of area such as the structure of presentation, designing of slide, tone of voice and body language of you have to convey. Effective presentation skills are important because they keep the presentation interesting to help the presentation communication with confidence, motivate the audience to listen them. This learning experience has designed to enhance the skill to communicate effectively and skillfully at workplace. Means presentation skill is very important at workplace for presenting any kinds of information, data to the audience or number of people. In it, by your good presentation skill, also you will present your positive body language. With the help of it, you are presenting your data properly. Relevance program and outcomes. Ethics. Apply ethical principles to commit the professional ethics, responsibilities, norms of practice in the field of information technology. Individual teamwork. The function effectively as a leader, as a team member, as a member, etc. Communication. Communicate effectively in a oral or written form. Lifelong learning. Engage in independence and lifelong learning along with the technology changes in IT and allied industries. Presentation skill. Computer system including the language lab software, develop reading and writing skill, relevant affective domains and related outcomes. Follow the safety practice, safe learning attitude, follow the work etiquettes. Minimum theoretical background. For preparing this presentation, students have some minimum theoretical background also. So what are these? We will discuss. Basic knowledge of presentation skill such as preparing slides, using correct format of effective use of body language, then communication, language and body language and communication skill used to during the presentation is required. Knowledge of using your gesture, posture, eye contact, designing the grooming effectively during the presentation skill is necessary. Means your body language as well as the slide, preparing slide, okay, the design, your way to communication, body language, these are the important while preparing presentation. Procedure. Log in with your account, read, understand the instruction and practical manual assignment, read the instruction from practical manual, assignment document discussed under the with facilitation, search information regarding the presentation guideline using the online, and number 4, understand the importance of presentation skill. Number 5, draft guideline of effective communication skill, understand the stage of presentation and create your own presentation in PPTs or PPT format. 7, review your completed material as a PPT and slide the draft with the help of course facilitator. Submit the assignment. This is the procedure. The procedure or precautions. Follow the safety rules for operating and guideline using the computer laboratory. Handle headset in lab properly. Do not insert the pen drive or any other material in a PC. So student, preparing slide is very important task to us in our education system because those are also in your professional life also. For making such any kinds of or presenting any kinds of information, we want to make a PowerPoint presentation, we want to present it properly. For proper presentation, we want to collect the data, information from various kinds of sources, then properly scrutinizing this data and collect the point and put in a proper slide. Okay, for it we want to select the proper, first of all, the slide. Okay, then proper designing of the slide, and then formatting of proper information in the slide, and then prepare your presentation. So while preparing such presentation, what are the guidelines, okay, we require, we will discuss here. The number one, or importance of presentation skill, number one, interaction with other is a routine job of business in a day-to-day life. The word importance is a good presentation skill is established on the basis of following points. Okay, number one, they help an individual to enhancing his own growth and opportunities. In addition, it also grooms the personality of presenter and elevate the level of confidence. It is a good opportunity to the presenter, and it creates the confidence in the mind of the presenter, okay, and evaluate the level of its confidence. Then second, in the case of striking ideas or ideals gaining the client, it is essential for the business professional to understand the audience. Good presentation skill enhance the individual to mold his message according to the trait of audience. This increase the probabilities of successful transmission of message. Next, lastly, the business professional have to arrange the seminar and give the presentations almost every day. Having the good presentation skill not only increase the individual chance of success, but also enable him to add greatly to the organization. The presentation skill can be defined as a set abilities to enable the individual to interact with audience, okay, transmit the message with clarity, and engage the audience in a presentation, and interpret the understand mindset of listener. This skill refine the way you to word the message and enhance the persuasive powers. Next, the presentation era places the great emphasis on good presentation. This is because they play an important role in convincing the client and customer. Internally, management with the good presentation skill is better able to communicate and the mission and vision or in the organization to the employee. Means good presentation skill also presented the vision and mission of your organization. It is helpful to presenting your vision and mission of your organization by good presentation skill. It is also presenting the motto or aim of your management also. Then how to improve presentation? Develop a good presentation skill require effort and hard work. To improve your presentation skill, you must do the following things. Means for presenting any kinds of idea, any kinds of information, you have to do the following points. Means the following the procedure for breaking or preparing the good presentation skills. Research an audience before the presenting. Means first of all you have to select the topic, and after selection of topic you have to prepare or collect this data from various kinds of sources. How to research audience before presenting? For which person, for which people we have to preparing presentation? Means what is their level, okay, which language they understood, what are the sources available to them. According to the thinking of that particular people, according to thinking of that particular receiver, we were collecting the data. Means it is the first point, research your audience, okay. This will be enable you to better understanding of the trait of the audience. You can develop the message that can be better understood by your target audience. For instance, in case of analytical audience, you can add more fact or figure in presentation. Means as I told, before presenting your data, you think about the audience. What is the level of your audience? How much he understood the topic? What is the language he understood? Means as per his level, we will prepare the presentation as easy and as simple to understanding them. This is the first time, because if they didn't understood the language, if they didn't understood the presentation, though all your effort, all your aim is totally fails. So we will prepare presentation as per the audience. Structure your presentation effectively. The best way to do this is to start with the telling the audience in an introduction, what are you doing to present, followed by the present era or presenting the idea. Finish of the presentation by repeating the main point. Means you have to then collecting the information, then prepare the proper structure of your presenting of information. According to it, you have to presenting the data information and preparing the proper one by one point of your presentation. Okay. Means in this way we will prepare the presentation as then structuring your proper presentation. As your structure is prepared, then properly formatting of your ideas, information in that particular presentation. Means you have to properly select the proper design of your PPTs, then put the proper information in it, then properly structuring the information. After that, as your information, then those are unnecessary, you have to delete it first of all, and those you want to add in it, add properly by slide. Okay, give the proper preference or sequence of your presentation or slide, and then prepare your presentation. And as your final presentation is prepared, you will presenting before the audience, before the group of people. So this is the procedure or guideline for preparing presentation. Okay, I hope you will understood the topic very well. Thank you very much.